This WCM strapping pallet strapping kit gives you a complete setup for palletizing with polyester banding, metal seals, a manual sealer, and a ratcheting tensioner all in one box. The polyester strap is designed to handle demanding loads, offering a high break strength that keeps heavy pallets and bulky items tightly secured during shipping and storage. Its ratchet tensioner and manual sealer work smoothly together, so you can pull the strap tight and crimp strong seals without a lot of physical effort or complicated adjustments. Thoughtful safety touches like polished edges, shielded cutting surfaces, and textured grips make the tools comfortable to use for longer packing sessions with less risk of slips. The dispenser-style carton keeps the long coil of strapping neatly contained and feeding cleanly, which helps prevent tangles on the floor and speeds up repetitive packaging tasks. Durable metal construction on the tools and weather-resistant polyester banding mean this kit holds up well in warehouse, construction, and general industrial environments.